Alright, quick video because it's a tiny little toy car of a Lotus Esprit. This is the ChoroQ Chibikko of the Lotus Esprit. Alright, not much. I don't even know if I should compare photographs, but it looks somewhat like that, right? Okay. So this is a standard molded Chibikko wheels. This one seems to have some paint problems though. Must have been played with by a kid. Fuel filler there. Yeah, look at this. The white paint is all messed up. The door is printed on though, so that looks good. The door handle, that is. Some raised ridges here in the side windows. It's nice to see the turn signals and stuff are painted. There's a little black grill there. The Lotus badge. It's not going to be legible on a toy like this. No paint here, sadly. You can see the smoked plastic and the motor behind there. Another fuel filler there. And then same here. Taillights look alright, printed on. I like the little black molding line around them like the real car. And then there's also black molding around these windows here. Painted bumpers, roof. I don't know why there's a ridge there, but it's there. Okay, so how old is this guy? 2008? Sorry, I can't focus, it's so small. Alright. Group Lotus PLC. Alright, 2008. That's actually much newer than I thought it would be. Interesting. I will say the stance is a little bit off, but I don't bother modifying these little Chibikkos because I can't find wheels, this small that match. I can't find staggered wheels that match. That's the key thing, staggered sizes, heights. So anyways, let's compare it to a couple other toys then. Alright, I actually do have a 1/64 scale made by ChoroQ, just to give a size reference. And then I'm going to put up a full-size ChoroQ of this Lambo Countach. Okay, let's lose this one now. And now I'm going to put up a Chibikko of the Lambo Countach. So now you really understand, the size difference between a Chibikko and a regular ChoroQ. And this can go away. And I don't know, what else? Maybe a Skyline R32. I don't have these are the only two European cars I have in Chibikko size, so I was just going for something sporty. Alright, so rolling models, they roll, not a fan. So unfortunately the paint is really messed up on this, but well, I don't know. If I find one for a decent price, maybe I'll replace this. But for now, it's gonna have to do. I just love this car, it reminds me of James Bond, and I think it was The Spy Who Loved Me, where he flew off a dock and this thing became a submarine. Okay, well anyways, I appreciate you guys checking this out, and I'll see you the next time I get Chibikko.